Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to edit your eBay account notification preferences. So firstly open eBay on your device and then navigate to the section My eBay that is located at the bottom side of your screen. Here scroll down to the account section and you see settings, and that's what we need. And here in the account section you see notifications, and here will be different types of notifications that you can adjust to yourself. So it's order updates, shopping updates, recommendations and rewards, selling, and general notifications. So for example, if I open order updates, not the order updates, but for example shopping updates, you can see that you can choose which exactly notifications you want to receive, which regarding to shopping updates. So if you want to receive some notifications, you need to make sure that the slider is moved to the right like this. And if you don't want to receive some types of notifications, make sure that the slider is disabled, so it's on the left. So that's basically how you can edit your notification preferences on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.